Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, and keyboard. Here you have the whole list of the available display languages. So let's pick, for example, maybe Greek, then tap done, and now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.